Hey, do you mind staying for a second? This won't take long, I promise. Hey everybody, Royal Johnson here. And I'll be honest, this video is kind of for my community specifically, but if you do stay, you will get some interesting details and some things I have. Now, I want to say for my community that in the time I have been off YouTube, not uploading, I have been working a lot, and I've been planning out all these different types of videos, all this different type of content, and I've even been working on my music recently. I'm telling you guys, the music is coming soon. And I really want you guys to see it to the end because it's going to be something big one day. I already know. And of course, there's going to be a lot that I'm going to do to fill in the space. The skits, the art videos, the instrument covers. You all know them. So that being said, here are the chords for what I want to be my very first song.